A system of morality which is based on relative emotional values is a mere illusion, a thoroughly vulgar conception which has nothing sound in it and nothing true. Socrates.
This statement by Socrates, the great Greek philosopher, is absolutely true. Another statement by Socrates which had got me thinking as a young person was, Socrates said, all Greeks are liars. Socrates was a Greek. Now, this statement is a double meaning, double-edged sword. If Socrates was a Greek, then he was lying with this statement. That means all Greeks are not liars. And if all Greeks are not liars, then Socrates might be telling the truth. That means all Greeks are liars. So it was a very meaningful statement. But in this particular statement, Socrates rightly says that it is a thoroughly vulgar conception to consider that emotional values are going to have a system of morality. We cannot have, if we have emotional values, if we are emotional, then morality and emotion cannot coexist that way. There is nothing very practical about being emotionally attached to a particular cause or a particular community or a particular campaign or a particular development in the country or anywhere. What will happen? When emotional attachment comes, when emotional values are concerned, then we cannot be impartial. And somewhere we will start becoming attached to the result of what we are doing, the fruit of what we are doing. And even the Bhagavad Gita says, do not become attached to the fruit of what you are doing, just do your duty. You don't have any right to the fruit of that will come on its own or whatever you deserve. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That means whatever we reap, that we will sow. So if we are thinking of a system of morality, which is based on relative emotional values, which means some people with different emotional systems, others with another set of emotional systems, it is an illusion. It is not true. It is a vulgar concept are there, where we take the right as right and wrong as wrong, truth as truth and untruth as untruth. There is no scope for emotions over it. It has to be merit-based. For example, in the judiciary, a judge will never give a decision based on his emotions. Will give a decision based on the facts, based on the case, based on the merits of the case. So it is extremely important for us to be involved in a system which is unemotional, which is full of practical decision making, and that will be a higher value moral system.